What's up, everybody? Mike here with Reprint, and though this video isn't going to be how to replace the printhead on a Lec2, you can look at my VS540i printhead replacement tutorial. Same thing. This is just something that's very important if you're looking to replace your dampers or your printhead. Here I have an issue going on I've been struggling with on this Lec. It's the cyan. I was missing cyan. If you can see it, sorry, it's reflective, or it's holographic, but you can see my cyan's suffering terribly. Had to replace the damper. I don't know what it is, but lately my problem's been cyan. But anyhow, when replacing these dampers or your printhead, it's very important on this machine that you, let me grab the tool. This has choke valves in the back, and these can be controlled from the service menu to turn them off and on and close the valve. However, once you disconnect the power, you never want to work on your printer with the power plugged in. So whenever you unplug it, it's going to open that valve back up and allow ink to flow freely. So what you have to do is, what I do, I have these little foam swabs, and you can just sit here and jam it in right there and repeat it on all of the valves. Just take and stick something in there right there. Let's see if I can get a good view. Goes underneath that little arm. Bam, that closes it off. Rinse and repeat on the rest of them. I've used business cards, playing cards, many different ways I've used, things that I've used to close these, but you just got to make sure that they are in the closed lock position. You can tell by up and down right here, that's closed. So you just have to force that down, and figured this would save somebody some hassle and potentially ruining a $2,200 printhead, because the printhead on these machines are the gold ones and they are more expensive. So hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.